Jasmine, hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. So happy to have you here today. And we're going to have a little bit of a chat to learn more about what you're doing outside of the firm. I'm really
Yes.
excited to hear about it.
Yeah, I'm excited to share.
Great. To begin with, can you share a bit about your role at Jasmine Daya and Company? What is your title and what do you focus on in your work? Did it turn out to be what you expected or has it differed from what you imagined? We're super interested in how your experience at the firm connects to your broader efforts.
Amazing. Well, yeah, I am a law clerk here. I primarily focus on personal injury and, of course, civil litigation. My role involves supporting the firm with case preparation, conducting legal research, and managing client files, and, of course, drafting legal documents. Honestly, I have to say it has exceeded my expectations here. Compared to my previous experiences at law firms, this position has become the most rewarding, particularly because of its collaborative and hands on nature. And this role has also allowed me to align my passion for advocacy and justice with my broader goal of improving access to legal resources and supporting meaningful outcomes.
Amazing. I'm so happy to hear that. That's fantastic. Great. So, can you tell us about the Saminathan Foundation and the Saminathan Institute for Empowerment? Am I pronouncing that correctly?
Yeah, Saminathan. I think it's
Saminathan.
different when I
Okay,
say
thank you.
it.
Saminathan Institute for Empowerment. So, why focus on sustainability in underdeveloped countries?
Yeah, so the Saminathan Foundation is a nonprofit organization based in Canada, actually, that aims to promote sustainable development. We create innovative solutions in education through the use of artificial intelligence technology, and we advocate for policy changes, especially in underrepresented communities in Sri Lanka. So, our first project, the Saminathan Institute for Empowerment, aims to help young people in Sri Lanka acquire skills for the future, focusing on educating them on sustainability, artificial intelligence, and, of course, public policy. Now, we believe that empowering communities through education and innovation can lead to long lasting improvements.
Wow, that's so interesting. And I know that you recently attended a United Nations seminar. So, how does your foundation's work connect to the goals discussed there?
Yeah, so I had the privilege of attending the United Nations Summit of the Future in New York City last month, actually, which focuses or well, it focused on major issues such as climate change and global cooperation. The Saminathan Foundation's goals actually align well with several of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, particularly those that aim for quality education, reducing inequalities, and promoting peace. We want to help create a fair and more sustainable world by working in, of course, education and policy changes in underdeveloped communities and areas.
Great, that's so interesting. So, going off that, then, how does your work with Jasmine Daya and Company support your non-profit efforts, do you think?
Well, my work at the firm definitely complements my non-profit work because, well, both focus on advocacy and making a positive difference. Working in civil litigation requires strong organization and research skills, and of course, a true understanding of the community needs. And so these skills enhance my ability to advocate for education rights and policy changes at Saminathan Foundation, which then allows us to create effective programs that make a real impact.
Wow, fantastic. I'm so happy to hear that. That's super impressive. So what are your future goals for the foundation then, especially after the recent United Nations seminar?
Yeah, our main goals are to expand our educational programs to more areas and to, of course, partner with global organizations to increase our impact. And I do want to point out that the United Nations Summit highlighted the need for collaboration. And so we plan to build lasting partnerships while continuing to develop new ways to improve access to education.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Amy. This was super interesting, and I
Thank
really
you.
appreciate learning more about the Samanithan Foundation.
Tamina.
Samanithan. Thank you, Amy.
Thank you.
Can